pardon the windshield. I was parked under a tree, didn't get a chance to clean the car off, but right now we are on our way to New Hampshire. Dover or Rawlingsford, some shit like that. It's about an hour and a half away, so not too bad of a drive. We are going to sell some catalytic converters, so this is basically like how to get money, or how to get money like from used vehicles that you purchase. Some vehicles, depending on the purchase price, you can get a vehicle for free or even make a profit just buying the car, getting the catalytic converters taken off, and then selling the catalytic converters. So yeah, unfortunately that is not this case, but I am getting a very good percentage back. So yeah, I will show you guys, you know, what to look for and whatnot. I'm pretty sure there's a billion videos on YouTube of this, but you guys are subscribers of my channel, and this is one of the ways that I make money and put money towards a build when I buy one. So yeah. So the catalytic converters, $240 each. So yeah, that's $480 for 2 catalytic converters, which means I got the car for $1,320. Wow, $1,320, look at that. But yeah, that's a great deal. Made me some good money. Now we're gonna be on our way home, hour and a half drive back. But yeah, people, go catless, especially if you have a turbo car. You will be making a lot of money on your catalytic converters, so I highly suggest it. Okay, so I got a 2X on this one, and I spent $10, so I got my money back from this. Ooh, so that's 10. Then this one. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is there any 11s or 10s? I mean 11, no. Well, look at that. I spent $10 and I got 110. Crazy.
NANI?